What's going on, guys? So I'm gonna be honest, I actually was a bit lazy doing this part of the vlog because in truth I already did it before. What happened was, once I come back, I realized that quite a few videos that I took got deleted or somehow lost. So there are some things that aren't going to be there that I really wanted to be there, but I knew I wanted to do this part of the whole vlog trip because I thought it was pretty important. I wanted to show you guys that you can actually travel with a lot less than you really think. And I basically just backpacked all throughout Brazil. So I wanted to show you guys exactly what I brought on my trip to Brazil. I think I put quite a bit of it away, so we're just gonna look at what I actually have out. So I knew that I wanted like a small little bag to have in case I need to carry my passport, my wallet, credit cards, all that good stuff. So I ended up getting this nice fanny pack here. Now a lot of this stuff is from my own business, so I mean, why not rep my own business, right? So I got this fanny pack. This was my man's right here, the backpack that carried me all the way through, held all my clothes, you know, dirty or clean. It went through the ringer, but it was solid for real. Like, had my charger here, my plug charger, had a nice little inside pocket. That way, if I needed to hide anything, I could. It has two pockets. It's a very simple bag, but that's really all I needed for this trip. So I knew I needed to have a pair of jeans. You always need a pair of jeans, no matter where you go. A pair of jeans is always necessary. And I knew here I wanted to have a tight, very tight pair of jeans. Why? In case someone was trying to pickpocket me, I can feel that thing right then and there. You know, it would suck to just be walking around and realizing my wallet's gone. So I was like, all right, let me get these very, tight. They were tight. It was hot over there, but I was like, I'm going to sacrifice, it's either sacrifice my wallet or sacrifice some comfortability. I don't want to sacrifice my wallet, so I didn't. Of course, you knew I wanted to ball when I was in Brazil, so I got these nice capris out there. It was still pretty hot wearing those, but hey, they come in handy no matter what. Because in case I needed room to put anything that I bought, that's what I was going to do. So I only carried these 4 shirts. Now, these shirts right here are actually shirts that I bought over in Brazil when I was there. So I knew I was going to need some room in my backpack. So I was like, all right, you got pack light, so that's just how it's going to work. Of course, yeah, I had a couple of the button downs just in case you were going to go to a nice little shindig. So that's what I had here, short sleeve and a long sleeve. This is a very light long sleeve, so it wasn't going to, wasn't going to be sweating balls like you would expect. I also had 2 pairs of shorts. Now, I know that they look like some pretty heavy cotton, right? They're pretty thick, but they actually do good during the summer. You'd be surprised. I had probably like 8, pieces of underwear because you're going to need to get some. I also picked some I picked some up while I was there. It's a necessity. You need it. I think it was like 4 pairs of socks. I actually realized that I was getting looks because I was wearing socks with my shoes. It was kind of funny because I'm like, well, we wear socks up here, no matter the weather. All they wear are flip-flops. I absolutely loathe flip-flops. I'm not gonna wear flip-flops. They always hurt right in between the toe, So I was like, no, I'm not doing that. I had on these gray kind of fake me out Toms, which were pretty old, and I knew I was going to throw them away once I got back, which that's what ended up happening. And I actually did carry a pair of flip-flops with me just in case. I didn't wear them at all. I ended up actually buying a pair of shoes when I was there, a pair of Red Lees. You'll see them, as you go through my vlog. But yeah, as for my electronics, I had some headphones, had a couple of camera things, batteries, charger that didn't even end up working. My iPad, because I needed to transfer a lot of files. File situation was terrible, guys. You'll see it through the vlog. And all of these memory cards, I actually ended up buying a couple more while I was there. That was about it. Like, I legit packed that light for this trip. and it was meant for 1 week. Okay, we ended up staying 3 weeks, so there was a lot of what would I say, improvisation, and it was an awesome experience. I think I would do this again, most definitely. I would just backpack with like 5 articles of clothing and just go out and buy whatever I needed. So that's what you see here. That's all I brought. Of course, this camera that I'm talking on. And yeah, man, it was a good time. Let's get to the rest of the vlog, right? Yeah.